Hi all, very good day. On today's class, we would be discussing about the multiplication and division of fractions. And the first one, multiplication. Let's say I'm having the questions 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 3. And here what you have to do is that you have to multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. And that would be what? That would be 2 times 4, the whole divided by 3 times 3. And 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9. And that's all we have to do in the case of multiplication. Let it be any number of fractions, you multiply all the numerators together, divided by you multiply all the denominators together. That's all we have to do there. Now it's all about division. And in division problems, there is a small catch. Instead of dividing the question, I'm actually going to convert the problem into multiplication. And for that, first we have to find out a small idea called reciprocal. So let's say I'm having a question like this. Find the reciprocal of 2 by 3. And that would be nothing but we just have to flip the numerator and denominator. That would be 3 by 2. So the reciprocal means I just have to change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. That's all we have to do there. Now, interesting question. What is the reciprocal of 2 then? What is the reciprocal of 2? I know that the 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. Then the reciprocal would be exactly, it would be 1 over 2. So keep this idea in your mind, okay? Yeah. Now moving on to the questions. Let's say I need to divide 3 by 8 divided by 2 by 7. And now the first thing is that the dividend 3 by 8 always remains. There is no change in 3 by 8. It will always be 3 by 8 itself. You don't have to do anything with that. But this 2 by 7 will change. I just have to find the reciprocal of 2 by 7. And what is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? Exactly, that would be 7 by 2. Now, what we are going to do is that 3 by 8 stays exactly like that. Then, instead of dividing it, I'm going to multiply it with the reciprocal of 2 by 7. That is 7 over 2. And my answer would be what? 7 times 3 is 21 divided by 8 times 2 is 16. So that's the answer. And that's all about today's topic. And this is nothing but the last section of our chapter, fractions. If you're having any doubt, comment in below.